So there is enormous ambition in the room. There is enormous diversity in the room. And I just wish I had more time, because some of them are really cool businesses. You know, there are guys getting ready to sort of send craft into space. There's a guy doing some cool stuff, making the built environment nature friendly, with so much potential, because we should be getting more of integrating nature into our infrastructure. But of the team that I've spoken to so far, they are just beginning. There is so much potential, and they just need to have the confidence to take that step. And if I can just give them the opportunity and a thought to try something different and to take a little bit more of a step and a bit more ambition, then hopefully I've delivered something today. The world of the internet, the world of Wikipedia, the world that any member of staff has a phone, means that you can't tell untruths in business, and the customer expects and demands greater honesty from business. And of course, when you're little, that's really quite easy, because you know you're a motley crew and you're all very honest and nice. But the problem occurs when you start becoming a big company and you start, you know, having more pressure and demand to be more profitable. And you know, there are challenges, and we've never been as big as we are now because we've grown from where we were last year. So it's an ever learning process. But for me, it's really important that we don't forget who we are, that we don't start getting so far up ourselves that, you know, we start falling into the trap of being like everyone else. We are no different to when we were little. Our customers are the same. We just need to act with integrity. We're bigger, but that doesn't change the fact that it's a bike that we're making, and the story that we tell has to start from the bike. And I think as long as we keep reminding ourselves of that, we will keep true to what we're about.